Today our new work is tangential tachyometry. Here we select a simple work, that is using the tachyometric constants or the tachyometric relations. We can derive the distance between 2 points by tachyometrical differences and angle included with that difference points. Here we are set instrument at station O, and our target is far away from here, that is point A. On that point we select 2 points, that means a certain distance apart from each other, that is we selected it 1 meter.
First point.
You can see the ranging rod at station A, and there is there is a point marked by chalk, and 1 meter below there is another marking point. Both are the same point, station A.
Distance between them.
You can see the station point A, there is a ranging rod and 2 points is marked there. One is at the top, and exact 1 meter below there is another point. The distance between these two marking is 1 meter. First we set the instrument and done preliminary setups and temporary adjustment. After that we look to the point top of the marking point. We can see the ranging rod and parallax elimination, focusing, everything is done. After that you done the exact bisection. Exact bisection. Using any of the upper plate or lower plate tangent screw, because we are not here read the horizontal angle, only vertical angle. So you can use either upper plate tangent screw or lower plate tangent screw for exact bisection. Now we take the vertical reading. The top reading is you can see the top reading is 4 degree 20 minute, 4 degree 20 minute and 40 seconds. You can write 4 degree. Okay.
0. Instrument at O.
Instrument at O. Looking to A.
Alpha 1.
And our first angle is alpha 1, that is 4 degree 20 minute 40 second. And in B scale, D scale 20 minute 40 second. Write in the CD verniers, not write in the AB vernier, because AB vernier for horizontal angle and CD vernier for verniers is this. This is C and this is D. The main vernier is vertical reading. First we read only C, and after the exact clarification you read the D vernier also. So the angle is 4 degree 20 minute 40 second, and in D vernier 20 minute 40 second, that is alpha 1. That is alpha 1. Again we look to the bottom point. And one thing, that is alpha 1 is angle of elevation. That is very important. You should mark it is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation, that is very important, because we want the included angle between the top point to this point and to the bottom point. That is the A dash. That is the angle, that is alpha 1, that is angle of elevation. The top reading is angle of elevation, and the second reading we can yes, this is the second point after exact bisection. You can read the point. Only 40 minute only in the main scale, and the vernier 11 minute 20 seconds. So the reading is that is called as alpha 2, that is 0 degree 51 minute 20 seconds. That's also 51 minute 20 seconds. The first phase working is over.
Elevation.
That is also, you can see this is 51 minute 20 second, that is also angle of elevation. That is very important, because the difference between this angle is the included angle, that is these two angles are angle of elevation. So the difference is the higher value minus the lower value is the included angle. If there is the second point is angle of depression, that is minus reading, then you can this angle minus this angle, that means add this angle because for the included angle. These two are come in a same quadrant, so the difference between these points, these degrees are the included angle. So now we are changing the face of the instrument. Now we change the instrument, transit the instrument, and rotate the instrument. So the face of the instrument now it is a right face reading. Do the same process, because it is for the exactness of the reading. If there is any change in the first reading or the second, if any change in the phase differences, you can eliminate this thing by taking both phase reading. Yes, exact bisection. Now the phase is changed. The C scale is here. Reading is 5 degree. Five degree 40 minutes. 5 degree 40 minutes. There is only 40 minutes. So the reading is like this. It is alpha 3. We call it alpha 3. That is plus 5 degree 40 minute 0 second 40 minute 0 second. Now the lower angle. Yes, it is the point after exact bisection. You can read the second reading. Exact bisection 1 degree 40 minutes. Here it is 40 minutes only. The reading is 1 degree 40 minute 0 second 40 minute 0 second, and these two angles are, first angle is, you can see, angle of elevation. The second angle is also angle of elevation. So you written as like this, and the difference between alpha 1 and alpha 2 is the first include angle, and difference between alpha 3 and alpha 4 is the second include angle. These two angles are different because the phase difference is there. So you can add these angles and divide by 2. You get the medium value or the mean value, and using this mean value you can calculate the distance between O and A. Without measuring this horizontal distance, you can calculate this distance. The equation D, distance is equal to S divided by tan alpha, and that alpha is equal to here it is alpha 1 minus alpha 2, or alpha 3 minus alpha 4, or alpha 1 minus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 minus alpha 4 divided by 2. That is the mean angle.
Face left, face right.
And the first two angle is alpha 1 and alpha 2. Here we take in the face left position, that is theodolite normal position, and the another two value alpha 3 and alpha 4 is face right position values. This is the face right position.